Welcome to Beautyistic. In today's review, we're diving into the SOEZ 26-inch ginger orange lace front wig. This is a deep wave 13x4 HD transparent lace frontal wig made from 100% real human hair. If you're considering adding some bold, vibrant color and texture to your look, this product might just be what you need. Let's get into the details. The SOEZ ginger lace front wig is made from 12A grade human hair, which means you're working with high-quality strands that are soft, smooth, and ready for styling. This wig promises to give you a natural, bouncy look that's perfect for anyone who wants that gorgeous, wavy texture without worrying about dryness or tangles. It's advertised as having a pre-plucked natural hairline and pre-bleached knots, which should help with customization, especially if you want to dye or bleach the wig. It features a 13x4 lace frontal design with HD transparent Swiss lace that blends with your skin for a seamless appearance. Now, let's talk about how it performs in real-world use. I found that this wig was surprisingly easy to install. The cap, which is an average size, fits snugly and comfortably around the head. It also comes with an elastic band and 4 combs for extra security. The lace, being transparent, really helps it melt into your skin, creating a natural look that doesn't scream wig. As for styling, the curls stay intact even when wet, and the hair remains bouncy after a few gentle brush strokes. You won't find a lot of shedding either, which is great for anyone who's looking for low-maintenance options. On the flip side, while the hair is soft and manageable, you might notice a slight heaviness due to the 180% density, which could make daily wear a bit more challenging for some. Also, while it's marketed as suitable for a variety of hairstyling techniques, I did find that after multiple washes, the texture can slightly loosen. It's something to keep in mind if you're planning to wear it for long periods. Now let's get into the pros and cons. On the plus side, this wig is made from top-tier human hair, which means you're getting a luxurious feel. The pre-plucked hairline and bleached knots are a major plus, especially for those who want a seamless, realistic appearance. The cap is comfortable and the lace blends well with the skin. You also get a lot of volume without the weight being unbearable. On the downside, the wig may be a bit dense for some, which could impact comfort during long hours of wear. Also, if you're someone who needs tight, precise curls, this may require more maintenance to keep it in shape, especially with washing. Is it worth the price? Considering the quality of the hair and the ease of customization, it does provide good value for money. However, if you're looking for something that requires less upkeep or has a lighter feel, there are more affordable options that could give you similar looks with less density. When compared to other wigs in the same category, the SOEZ ginger orange lace front wig stands out with its high-density hair and HD lace. While it may not be the lightest wig on the market, it offers a fuller, more voluminous look than many of its counterparts, making it an ideal choice for those who want a bold, statement-making hairstyle. In terms of build quality, the wig is well constructed, with sturdy materials used throughout. The lace is soft yet durable, and the hair strands themselves are smooth and resistant to tangling. This wig has the potential for long-term use if cared for properly. As for customer support, I didn't have to reach out, but SOEZ has a solid reputation for responding to queries and offering customization options for fit. That's always a good sign when you're investing in a wig. To wrap up, the SOEZ 26-inch ginger orange lace front wig is a fantastic option for those looking for a bold, voluminous look with a high-quality natural feel. While the density might be a bit much for some, and the curls can require occasional maintenance, it holds up well with the right care and offers a great option for people who want to experiment with color and texture. If this review helped you, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that other wig enthusiasts can also find this video. Thanks for watching. If you're interested, the link to grab this product is down in the comments box. Let me know what you think, or share your experiences with the product if you've already tried it. Until next time, keep rocking those beauty goals with Beautyistic.